In this video, we're going to show you how you can cancel sent follow requests on Instagram. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Start by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right, and then go ahead and tap the three lines in the top right to open up your settings and activity. Select Account Center up at the very top, and then scroll down to the account settings section and tap your information and permissions to open up this page right here. Choose download your information just like so, and what you're going to want to do is click on the button that says download or transfer information. Go ahead and select the account that you'd like to download the information for, hit next, and then select all available information just like so. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and click download to your device, and then select the date range. You can use last year or just set it to all time to make sure you catch every request. Go ahead and make sure the format is on HTML, and then medium for the quality section. Go ahead and hit create files, and Instagram is now going to prepare your file. Once it's ready, it's going to show up in available downloads, and you're going to get an email notification for this. Once you get that email notification for this, go ahead and simply just hit download. Open up your Files app when you do so and find that downloaded zip file, and then go ahead and tap it to unzip it. When you're in this folder, find connections and go to followers and following and open up pending follow request. Now you're going to see a list of every single follow request, and to cancel one, tap on the username and it's going to open up their profile. Simply press requested to cancel that follow request. You can also manually search the username if you already know it, and then simply just click cancel the request from their profile, but that's it. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section, and remember to like and subscribe.